Hi everyone, I'm Steve Burns. I'm CEO and founder of Lordstown Motors. I'd like to thank everyone for joining us at this historic moment as we ring the bell to enter onto the NASDAQ. I want to thank our employees, our shareholders, our investors. I want to thank our spokesperson, Joe Burrow. I'd like to thank the NASDAQ for having us. We're very excited. This brings the final chapter where we get the necessary resources to be able to bring this endurance all the way to market. So I'm out test driving. This is our endurance prototype. We fully intend for this to be the first full-size electric pickup truck in the world, specifically in the US, and we are on target to do that in September. So I just want to thank everybody again, express our excitement, and ask everybody, ride with Lordstown.